What's up guys, it's Sava with SOS Kitchen, and today we're making a Mexican goddess dressing. This recipe is so easy. All you have to do is throw it into a blender and it comes out with this creamy, delicious salsa / dressing that goes great not only on salads, but also as a dip for chips or veggies. The name of this recipe always cracks me up because people mistake me for Mexican a lot. In fact, one time this guy tried to holla at me literally from the passenger side of his best friend's ride, being like, "What's up, girl? You know I love Mexican women." And I literally had to stop him and be like, "That's cool because I'm Asian," and then throw up the deuces and walk away. Check out the description box for the recipe and the ingredients. Let's get started. You're first gonna need some tomatillos. You'll find them in all sizes, but the smaller ones like these are usually a little bit less bitter than the ones that are like tomato size. They come in little husks and you have to peel the husk off and rinse them to use them. You'll see that some of mine are purplish, and I've heard that's a good thing. If you know more about it, let me know. Add your tomatillos to a pot of boiling water and boil them for 4 to 5 minutes until they become a little bit more translucent and you actually might see some of the skins burst. Remove them from the boiling water and put them in an ice bath to stop the cooking. The other things you'll need are some cilantro that I didn't even bother pulling the stems off of, lime, jalapeno, you can use as much or as little as you want, garlic, and avocado. Put everything into a blender. I'm actually using an immersion blender today, so I just put it all in a bowl, along with some salt and pepper, and blend it until it's smooth. Once it's smooth, taste for salt and heat and add more of either if you want it. If you decide you want your dressing thinner, you could also add about a tablespoon of water to thin it out. Let it chill until you're ready to serve. This stuff is not only great as a dressing for salads, but it also makes a killer dip for chips and veggies. I put it over top my chicken tinga salad and ate it just like that. I highly recommend making this dressing. It's so easy to put together. The avocado gives it a really nice creaminess and it'll keep in your fridge for a couple days. Try it out today and let me know how it tastes. Thanks for cooking with me again. Bye.